and women, honorable guests, parents and respected teachers, Assalamu alaikum. As we all know that we are living in the era of competition where education plays vital role in the making of great leaders and personalities, and it's not just associated with men, because women in these modern times have emerged great competitive in the field of education. And for education, it's not something to help for the solitary purpose of getting jobs or employment. In fact, it's for the development of both mental growth and physical development. Women are proving their greatness in this modern era, and they are no longer the ornament of house because they have proven their worth. Mr. Chief Guest, women can get education because they have no restrictions either religiously or socially. The only thing that some of the people under that religions, especially Islam, doesn't allow them to go on and get education, which is not meant to end reality, because Islam doesn't restrict from getting education. The only restriction is just associated with the get-up. If they are really dressed in accordance with the education of Islam, there is nothing wrong to get education. Respectable teachers, in this modern world, we can experience the examples of women who are working at high positions, like they are working as administrative, and even we can get persons in scientific fields as well. Dear students, as Francis Bacon has said in one of his essays that study services for delight, for ornament, and for ability, so keeping this line in mind, one can easily conclude that delight isn't only associated with men, ornament isn't only associated with men, and ability isn't only associated with men. These all things come under the shadow of woman, as well, so women have got a right to prove her talent, skills, and artistry. Mr. Chief Guest, God has given equal scope to both genders, so doing discrimination isn't fair enough. As I said earlier, that education isn't only for getting job or for earning money, it's for teaching our ethics, morality and social dealings. So no one can stand women from getting good education. Increasing the level of female education improves human development outcomes such as child survival, health and schooling. Lower female education has negative impacts on economic growth as it lowers the average level of human capital. By saying these golden words, I will take my place. Whosoever follow the path to seek knowledge theory, God will make the refund a path to paradise. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.